Living in the city? Think gardening is impossible? Think again. Today we'll show you how to create stunning vertical gardens that save space, look amazing, and turn your urban space into a lush oasis. Vertical gardening is the ultimate solution for urban gardeners. It's efficient, stylish, and perfect for balconies, patios, or even small indoor spaces. Plus, it's a sustainable way to grow your favorite herbs, veggies, and flowers. Here's what you'll need: vertical planters or recycled materials like pallets and shoe organizers, quality potting soil, seeds or seedlings, a watering can or drip irrigation system. Segment 3. Step-by-step guide to building a vertical garden. First, pick a spot with enough sunlight, ideally 4 to 6 hours a day. No balcony? No problem. A sunny windowsill works too. Next, get creative with your setup. You can use pre-made vertical planters or go DIY with pallets, hanging pots, or even an old shoe organizer. Now add your soil and start planting. Herbs like basil and cilantro thrive in vertical gardens, and leafy greens like lettuce grow beautifully too. Water your plants regularly, but don't overdo it. Ensure good drainage to keep roots healthy. Segment 4. Stunning vertical garden ideas. Here are some ideas to inspire you. A living wall of succulents. An herb tower for your kitchen. A hanging garden with cascading flowers. Segment 5. Benefits of vertical gardening. Not only do vertical gardens save space, but they also improve air quality, reduce stress, and let you grow your own fresh produce. Plus, they're a fun project for the whole family. Transform your urban space into a green paradise with these vertical gardening tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your vertical garden creations in the comments below. Let's make the world greener, one wall at a time.